हे डिवायड एंड रूल करपाक आनी हो करपाची गरज आहा पॉलिटिक्सांतू. कम्युनल एंगल दिवपाक गरज आहा. आज मणिपुराचे कोणूच उलयना. म्हणजे कितें रेसलर्स जी ती चोडवां तांकां मॉलेस्टेशन केलां कोणूच उलयना. हांवें आनी एक पाट सांगलेलें. सो ही मेसेज क्लियर वचपा जाय बिर्लाजीक की वी हॅव प्रोटेस्टेड टुडे बिकॉज ऑफ द रेसलर्स, बिकॉज युअर गव्हर्नमेंट इज नॉट डुईंग एनीथिंग. We have protested today because of the churches that are burned in Manipur. We have protested today because all your assurances that your ministers are giving us inside are never being fulfilled. We have been protesting because my stills, Western bypass on stills is never done till today after all the possible assurances. Protesting because the fishermen are not given justice. सगळे कडे प्रॉब्लेम झाले. Taxi drivers not given justice. So all communities, farmers are not given justice. All communities are not given. NEP is not given justice. Teachers are not ready. They are not trained. So तुम्ही काहीच केलं ना. What are you all doing? तुम्ही फकत करता. आज मातशें देस्पेजून केला. कित्याक गेल ते पाट आमगे ट्रेनिंग सेशनां इतले पयशे मोडले म्हणून आमी पॉयंट आउट केलो. मातशें देस्पेजून केला. नाजाल्यार हेंय कडेन ताज्या खूंय आसता आशिल्लें.
तुम्ही म्हणले की प्रोटेस्ट करते म्हणून. तुम्ही तो येऊन मागीर तुम्ही बॉयकॉट करता. तुम्ही पयलीं कांयच मेसेज काय दिवना. सो तेका कशें कळटलें की बाबा कित्याक प्रोटेस्ट करते. जस्ट एक प्रेस ब्रीफिंग घेतली की जालें.
You are here. There are hundreds of letters that will be going to him with all what we have said today. So the message is very clear. Why have these people not come? Why have the other opposition message not come? Aam Aadmi Party has specially boycotted for these reasons. One reason is because no justice given to the wrestlers and to the entire sports community to give a message that we are with you all and we have protested this guy so that he goes and tells the central that what is happening over here and why we are not happy with them. Second thing is because of the churches that have been burned all over Manipur and the atrocities that is happening to all the Catholics over there, where communal disharmony is happening. And the third is to all the proposals that we have put, assurances which we have got in the assembly session, but nothing has been done till today. And name it, whether it is farmers, fishermen, जाऊं taxi driver आगे issue, जाऊं bull fighting आगेलो issue, education issue, all issues. And we are keeping on adding on, but nothing is happening. So today if you see Goa only development mutato is some events that is taking place for every small thing, and that is the only thing. There is no other thing that is getting developed. Concretized की त्या थिंगा आत घालप. Rest there is nothing that is happening. And that is what we are boycotting. Three major things. And that is the reason this is a protest that we have not come here. And as a party, we will never attend such things where these people are first of all not giving justice for not only for Goans but for Indians over large.
आता आमची लोकसभा स्पीकर आमकां डिसिप्लीन शिकोवपाक येयला. आतां आमची लोकसभाक तुमी जाणा कितें चलता तें. तुमी फाटलीं थंय फार्मर्स बील पास केलें. कितें पास केलें तेंचें आतां आमची असेंब्ली तें जाता. आतां आमचें एग्रीकल्चर बील पास केलां आनी कितलें बील पास केलां. असेंब्ली कांय कॉन्फिडन्स घेवन पास करतात. सो तें डिसिप्लीन थिंगा आसपाक जाय न्हू. आतां आमी शिकोवपाक येयला ते बिलां डिस्कशनां येवपाक जाय. सगळें कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवपाक सगळे व्यूज घेवपाक जाय पास जावपाक जाय. थिंगा डिसिप्लीन न्हू. लोकसभाक तें तशीच बिलां पास जाता. आमची थिंगा अशीच बील पास जाता.